America, a land of opportunity and freedom, may not be dotted with ancient castles and fortresses like Europe, but it boasts its own unique collection of grand residences. These palaces tell the story of America's rise, its dreams, and its ambitions. From the political power of the White House to the artistic haven of Hearst Castle, each palace offers a glimpse into a different facet of American heritage. These palaces are more than just buildings, they are symbols. They represent the ideals, aspirations, and achievements of the people who built and inhabited them. They have witnessed history unfold within their walls, from presidential inaugurations to musical revolutions. Join us on a journey across America as we explore these magnificent palaces. We will uncover their history, their architectural splendor, and the stories of the people who shaped them. From coast to coast, these palaces stand as testaments to the enduring spirit of America. The White House, located at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C., is arguably the most recognizable symbol of American power and democracy. It has served as the official residence and workplace of every president of the United States since John Adams in 1800. Designed by Irish-born architect James Hoban, the White House's construction began in 1792. The building was initially constructed from Aquia Creek sandstone and painted white to mask the burn marks from when the British set it ablaze during the War of 1812. The White House has witnessed countless historical events, from the signing of the Emancipation Proclamation by President Abraham Lincoln, to the end of the Cold War under President Ronald Reagan. Its walls have echoed with the voices of change and progress. Today, the White House remains a place of immense importance. It is a symbol of American democracy, a place where history is made every day. In the heart of Memphis, Tennessee sits Graceland, the former home of the king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley. This iconic mansion is not just a house, it's a piece of American history. More than just a residence, Graceland became a symbol of Elvis's meteoric rise to fame and his enduring legacy. It holds countless memories and artifacts from his life and career. Built in 1939, Elvis purchased the stately Colonial Revival Mansion in 1957 at the young age of 22. This purchase marked a significant milestone in his life. He transformed the 13.8-acre estate into a haven for himself and his family, complete with a recording studio, a racquetball court, and the famous Jungle Room. Each room tells a story of his creativity and passion. Graceland quickly became a place of pilgrimage for Elvis fans worldwide. People from all walks of life came to see where the legend lived. They came to pay homage to their idol, drawn by his music and the mystique surrounding his life and untimely death in 1977. The aura of Elvis continues to captivate hearts. Today, Graceland is one of the most visited private homes in the United States, attracting over 650,000 visitors each year. It remains a vibrant tribute to Elvis's impact on music and culture. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of Elvis Presley and his music. Graceland is not just a monument, it's a living, breathing piece of rock and roll history. Perched atop a hill overlooking the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean in San Simeon, California, Hearst Castle stands as a grand testament to the boundless ambition and unparalleled extravagance of newspaper magnate William Randolph Hearst. This sprawling estate, with its 165 rooms and 127 acres of meticulously designed gardens, reflects Hearst's deep passion for art, architecture, and the finer things in life. Every corner of the estate exudes luxury and sophistication. Construction of Hearst Castle, also known as La Cuesta Encantada, which translates to the Enchanted Hill in Spanish, began in 1919 and continued for nearly 3 decades. Hearst, in collaboration with the talented architect Julia Morgan, envisioned a Mediterranean revival masterpiece, filling it with an eclectic collection of art and antiquities from around the globe. Each piece was carefully selected to enhance the castle's grandeur. Hearst Castle quickly became a glamorous playground for the Hollywood elite. Stars like Charlie Chaplin, Greta Garbo, and Clark Gable were frequent guests. Drawn by the allure of the castle's opulence and the promise of unforgettable gatherings, they enjoyed lavish parties, the castle's opulent amenities, and the chance to mingle with other luminaries of the time. Today, Hearst Castle is not only a California state park, but also a National Historic Landmark, offering visitors a unique glimpse into the life and times of one of America's most fascinating and influential figures. The legacy of William Randolph Hearst lives on through this magnificent estate. Section 5. Biltmore Estate, an American chateau. Nestled amidst the Blue Ridge Mountains of Asheville, North Carolina, lies the Biltmore Estate, a monument to the Gilded Age and the vision of George Vanderbilt. This French Renaissance chateau, the largest private home in America, embodies the opulence and grandeur of a bygone era. Completed in 1895, the Biltmore Estate encompasses over 8,000 acres and boasts 250 rooms, including 35 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, and 65 fireplaces. Vanderbilt spared no expense, commissioning renowned architect Richard Morris Hunt and landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted to create his masterpiece. The Biltmore Estate is a testament to American craftsmanship and artistry. From the intricate woodwork and handcrafted furniture to the meticulously manicured gardens and sprawling forests, the estate showcases the finest in American design and craftsmanship. Today, the Biltmore Estate remains a popular tourist destination, welcoming visitors to experience the splendor and history of this American treasure. Section 6. Winterthur Museum, a legacy of decorative arts. Just outside Wilmington, Delaware, lies the Winterthur Museum Garden and Library, a testament to the legacy of Henry Francis DuPont and his passion for American decorative arts. This institution stands as a beacon of cultural heritage and artistic excellence. This sprawling estate, once the DuPont family home, houses one of the world's premier collections of American decorative arts from the 17th to the 19th centuries. Each room tells a story, capturing the essence of different periods in American history. The Winterthur Museum's collection is housed in a 175-room mansion, built in 1839 and expanded over the years by H.F. DuPont. The mansion itself is a masterpiece reflecting the architectural styles and tastes of its time. The museum's holdings include over 90,000 objects ranging from furniture and textiles to ceramics and metalwork. Each piece is meticulously curated to showcase the craftsmanship and artistry of American artisans. DuPont's vision extended beyond the museum walls. He was a visionary who saw the potential of integrating art with nature. He meticulously designed the surrounding 1,000 acres of gardens and woodlands, creating a harmonious blend of natural beauty and artistry. These gardens are a living testament to his dedication and love for the environment. Today, the Winterthur Museum is renowned for its unparalleled collection and its role in promoting the study and appreciation of American decorative arts. It continues to inspire and educate visitors from around the world, preserving the legacy of Henry Francis DuPont for future generations. Section 7. Palace of Fine Arts, a San Francisco treasure. Standing as a majestic symbol of resilience and artistic spirit, the Palace of Fine Arts in San Francisco, California, is a lasting legacy of the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition. This architectural masterpiece, with its Roman-inspired rotunda and serene lagoon, continues to captivate visitors and inspire wonder. Designed by architect Bernard Maybeck, the Palace of Fine Arts was conceived as a temporary structure, built to showcase works of art during the exposition. However, its beauty and grandeur resonated with the public, sparking a movement to preserve it. Today, the Palace of Fine Arts serves as a cultural hub, hosting art exhibitions, performances, and events throughout the year. It stands as a testament to the power of art and architecture to inspire and uplift. Section 8. Iolani Palace, the heart of Hawaiian monarchy. In the heart of Honolulu, Hawaii, stands Iolani Palace, a poignant reminder of the Hawaiian monarchy's grandeur and the island's rich cultural heritage. This national landmark, once the official residence of the Kamehameha dynasty, offers a glimpse into a pivotal chapter in Hawaiian history. Completed in 1882 under the reign of King Kalakaua, Iolani Palace was a symbol of Hawaii's embrace of modernity. It was the first official residence in the United States to have electricity, telephones, and indoor plumbing. However, the monarchy's reign was short-lived. In 1893, Queen Liliuokalani, the last reigning monarch of Hawaii, was overthrown in a coup d'etat orchestrated by pro-American businessmen. Today, Iolani Palace has been restored to its former glory, serving as a museum that tells the story of the Hawaiian monarchy and the island's journey to statehood. Section 9. Shaping American Identity. America's palaces, each unique in its architecture, history, and significance, collectively paint a vivid tapestry of the nation's diverse heritage. They stand as testaments to American ambition, artistry, and the pursuit of excellence. These palaces have witnessed pivotal moments in American history, from the birth of a nation to the rise of cultural icons. They have hosted presidents, kings, artists, and entrepreneurs, shaping the nation's social and political landscape. More than just buildings, these palaces represent the enduring spirit of America. They embody the dreams, aspirations, and achievements of the people who built and inhabited them. As we explore these palaces, we gain a deeper understanding of American identity and the values that have shaped this nation. They serve as a reminder of the past, a celebration of the present, and an inspiration for the future.